Welcome to this course on Python virtual environments, also known as venv, specifically designed for Linux-based machines. By the end of this video, you'll confidently create, use, and manage virtual environments for your Python projects. A virtual environment in Python is like a separate workspace for your project. It helps keep your project dependencies isolated so that one project doesn't interfere with another. For example, one project might use Python 3.8 and another Python 3.11, or different versions of the same library. This isolation prevents conflicts and keeps your system clean. Before we start, make sure Python 3 is installed on your Linux system. If it isn't, use the following commands based on your Linux distribution. Let's create your first virtual environment. Follow these steps carefully. Here, venv is the name of the virtual environment folder. You can replace it with any name you like. Once activated, you'll notice that your terminal prompt changes. This indicates you're now inside the virtual environment. Now that the virtual environment is active, let's install a Python package, for example, Flask. The installed packages are now isolated to this environment and won't affect your global Python setup. When you're done working in the virtual environment, simply deactivate it using the following command. After deactivating, you're back to the global Python environment. If you no longer need a virtual environment, deleting it is simple. Just remove the virtual environment folder. Here are some common issues you might face and how to solve them. Command Python 3 not found. Solution: install Python using your package manager. Permission denied errors. Solution: use sudo for installation commands, but avoid using sudo inside a virtual environment. Pip not working in the virtual environment. Solution: ensure the virtual environment is activated and install pip manually if needed. Let's recap what we learned today. How to create and activate a virtual environment. Installing and managing Python packages. Deactivating and deleting virtual environments. Remember to always use virtual environments for your projects to avoid dependency conflicts and keep your system clean. Thank you for watching this course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.